We're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is episode 360, part 1. DRYTRON versus FLUFFALs. And they got destroyed on this one. Let's slow that down. Alright, bear for vendor. Vendor. Effect. Let's summon one monster from your hand, otherwise discard the card. True. Okay. Chain, patchwork. Chain, wings. Vendor, penguin. Goods for vendor. Vendor dolphin. And this was a early, because I don't really know FLUFFALs, so I just in-permed him. Maybe that's a starter. But he just kept going. Polly. What do you use there? Penguin and chain. For a whale, penguin, gonna draw 2, and then discard 1. Whale, gonna gain half the attack, equal to half of its attack. Okay, for tiger. Repair, banish. From your hand. For dog. Okay, special summon from hand. Dog. What the dog's affecting? From attack. Oh my god. Artifact Dagda. And then he chained it right away. Went cyber emergency or scythe. Alpha Zeta. Alpha's effect. Add Benten. Zeta Benten. Zeta add the Medionis. It's gonna try to Benten, but then he called by, negating and banishing it. I went for Mubeda effect, dump, say Delta tribute, gamma, reveal, and draw. Edge imp scythe, another scythe. Oh wow, there's fusion summoned right there. Ritual for Ida 10, detaching from Fafnir. Whale. Okay. Dolphin. How the fuck did that happen? You discard 1 card, both player. Both sides of the field. Wow. So he popped and popped Scythe. Scythe's effect's gonna go off now. How? What? Special summon it. If this card is special summoned during your opponent's turn, your opponent can special summon monsters from the extra deck for the rest of the turn. You serious? Can even special summon from the extra deck. Medionis Decree Side, Gamma, Tribute Gamma, special summon Alpha, Alpha Attack, and pretty much over from here. Patchwork. Oh my god. Goods for toy vendor. Toy vendor. That has sheep. Normal summon penguin. Special summon sheep. What was that? Sheep's effect? Okay. Return special. Folly. Those two for Kraken. Okay. Arcade board blocker. Destroy all of them. What? And this card is fusion summon. You can target cards on the field up to a number of fusion materials monsters used for the summon. Destroy all of them. How many? How many did he use? Jesus. Let's check out the log. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, he did 4. So he's popping everything. Tiger. Holy crap. I was like, how did he do that? Tiger. Boom, boom. Wow. That's ridiculous. Why is this card like that? Tiger direct for 25. Kraken. This card can make a second attack during each battle phase. Wow. And then the other attack from Kraken. Oh, god dang it. It's actually pretty cool looking at the replays. And then here's part 2. I lose again. Starting with not so good hand. Also some Diviner. Did its effect to send Diviner or Herald. Herald with the Benten. And this guy's now a level 6 because I sent Arclight, so it gains that level. And I was like, how can I activate Medium's DRYTRON? Well, it can be used to ritual summon any monster from hand or graveyard. This guy's a 6, this guy's a level 6. I could have went Medium's DRYTRON, Tribute for Ben 10, but I was like, let's just keep the Ben 10. Maybe I can draw a DRYTRON. Goods. Or vendor. Add. Normal. Effect. Special. Effect. Send and set. Oh no, he send it and then he set. Okay. He send wings. Activated the vendor. Bear. Another toy vendor. Banish the wings. What does he do? Draw one card. And if it's a toy vendor, then you can summon toy vendor. Control to the graveyard. This is not a once per turn, right? Not a hard once per turn. Okay, Octopus and call it away for Kraken. Wow. What did he use? Octopus. Target a 2 banish card, return to the graveyard. Okay. That's Dolphin destroyed, Diviner. Kraken, attack once, attack another. Penguin, oh. What? Change it to defense, oh. And he's used for Bahamut Shark. Attach, special summon at rank 3. Totally awesome. I thought like, okay, he had no materials. He can't activate its effect, but he could actually tribute itself. Maybe on DRYTRON. I negated it with Toad. And then he took it. Toad. Into the grave. I have 1 water monster from your graveyard to your hand. Which one was that? Octopus. Okay. And then I just set Eva. Try to protect my life points. Kraken 2 attack. Kraken attack once, Eva's effect. Banish those 2. And get those 2. And then it was over right here. Kraken, finish him. Oh. Let's see if he has a deck. Go to decks. Oh, he doesn't have a deck. Okay. Let's go online, check the rank. I was at gold. I was at 15. Let me double check here. 1503 down to 1487. 182, 182. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.